Dear viewers, Namaskar. In view of the prevalent COVID conditions, you are requested to adhere to the COVID appropriate behaviors like wearing masks properly, washing hands frequently, maintaining social distancing and avoiding crowded places. In the headlines today, enterprising endeavors of CPP3 employees lead to setting up of several records. SAIL RSP facilitates easy accessibility of morning report for employees with ERP system. Now the news in detail. The enterprising endeavors of the employees of Captive Power Plant 3 have helped the department to register some spectacular achievements. The all-time records of average monthly power generation of 42.43 megawatt was achieved in October 2020, followed by average daily power generation of 48.11 megawatt on 3rd February 2021, which was highest since inception. It also registered highest power generation for any shift of 50.49 megawatt in shift of 30th January 2021. The collective undertook several revival, maintenance and commissioning jobs to ensure equipment availability and reliability for continuous production. These include modification of major pipeline, interconnecting turbo blower cooling water pumps to auxiliary cooling water pumps circuit so as to take care of power plant exigencies and to enhance the reliability of auxiliary cooling water circuit. The sulfuric acid dosing was conducted in cooling water circuit of turbo blowers and steam turbine generators were revived and commissioned to control pH of cooling water for enhancing vacuum in condensers. This facilitated reduction in consumption of steam by these equipments. DCS system was technologically upgraded and successfully commissioned in PBS for boiler 1 and STGs in BPTG. Provision of steam washing for STGs was developed, erected and commissioned. Protection of house load transformer was implemented through fiber optic network between CPP1 and PBS, which are about 4 kilometers away from each other. Feed control line was erected, tested and commissioned to facilitate smooth hydro testing of all CDCP boilers. Battery charger system in PBS and AVR system of STG2 were revived in-house, resulting in cost saving of Rs 12 lakhs. For easy and wider accessibility of information, SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant has now implemented its morning report XENet in ERP system, which was earlier done in NREP system. With the introduction of the new system, the report is now mailed automatically to mail IDs defined in the system. The printed report can be generated from RSP SAP system using T-code ZEXE menu after logging to SAP system. The report has also been available and accessible in the new plant status screen. This new system will enable everybody to get the report as soon as it is prepared by PPC and without logging into SAP system. Report can be accessed through plant status using the given link. Now we bring before you a message addressed to RSP Collective from former Managing Director RSP Dr. Sanak Misra on the occasion of surpassing 100 metric ton mark of hot metal production.
I am delighted to learn that the Rourkela Steel Plant has surpassed the milestone of producing 100 million tons of hot metal. This is a momentous occasion for all the citizens of our nation and especially for the persons associated with the plant since its inception in the late 1950s. It might be recalled that its first blast furnace, Parvati, had been inaugurated on 3rd February 1959 by the then President of India, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. I would like to congratulate the CEO, Mr. Deepak Chattaraj, and the RSP Collective for this remarkable achievement. I am also happy to learn that RSP has not only attained the best ever production figures and the highest ever profits, but also has set up commendable benchmarks in several other domains such as equipment maintenance, project execution, communication, safety, township, professional recognitions and awards have also come along in large numbers. As a former managing director of the Rourkela Steel Plant, I share the immense pride of the RSP collective over these glorious accomplishments. The steel plant and its employees are forever in my heart and in my mind, and my days in Rourkela are etched forever in my memory. Their joy, the joy of the employees of Rourkela Steel Plant, the people of Rourkela, is my joy. RSP is a glittering jewel of the steel industry. I have no doubt that it will scale higher and higher peaks of excellence in the coming years. My best wishes for its continued success. I extend my warm regards to all of you. Thank you and all the best.
And that's all in this news bulletin. Namaskar.